You want to unlock the ultimate cheat code for your health, fitness, and energy level? The answer isn't in the supplement or a fancy workout or even a new diet. It's in your bed. That's right. Sleep could be the most underrated tool for fat loss, muscle growth, and recovery, or reversing insulin resistance. If you are skipping out on sleep, you are not just losing hours, you are losing results. So stay tuned, because today's video we are diving into why better sleep means a better you. So what is insulin resistance? Insulin is like your body's key for unlocking cells to let sugar in for energy. When you are insulin resistant, that's the key stop working well. Sugar lingers in your bloodstream, leading to fat storage, inflammation, and eventually conditions like diabetes. So how does sleep impact insulin resistance? Studies shows that even one night of poor sleep can make you temporarily insulin resistant. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to a full-blown metabolic disorder, which eventually leads to bad health, weight gain, and all other metabolic problems. Sleep regulates hormones like cortisol. When you are sleep deprived, cortisol spikes and your insulin sensitivity drops. A study published in the Lancet found that sleeping less than 6 hours per night increases insulin resistant marker by 30% after just 1 week. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to keep your body metabolically healthy. It's like giving your insulin its mojo back. So why sleep is key for fat loss? Sleep regulates hunger hormone like ghrelin, which is a hunger hormone, and leptin, which is satiety hormone. Lack of sleep increases ghrelin and decreases leptin, making you crave junk food and feel less full. Ever notice how after a bad night's sleep you can't resist the donut aisle? Think insulin resistance. A study in Annals of Internal Medicine found that dieters who were sleep deprived lost 55% less fat than those who were well rested. Sleep deprivation also reduces energy expenditure. So not only are you hungrier, but you are also burning fewer calories. So double whammy. Think of your body as a smartphone. Sleep is your nightly recharge. Without it, you are running on low battery and draining resources faster. So here are some practical tips. Establish a sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Limit blue light exposure from screen 1 to 2 hours before bed. Create a cool, dark, and quiet sleep environment. So how does sleep build muscle? Sleep is when your body goes into a full repair mode. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, the secret source for muscle recovery and growth. Lack of sleep reduces testosterone level in men and women, which hampers your ability to build and maintain muscle mass. A study found in a Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism showed that sleep-deprived individual produces 60% less testosterone, which is a key hormone for muscle building. Poor sleep also increases muscle breakdown by raising cortisol level. So you're not only not gaining enough muscle, but you're also losing muscle faster. Hitting the gym and skipping sleep is like filling a bucket with water that has a hole in the bottom. You are working hard, but the results are leaking away. And this is the tip for people that lift weights regularly. Focus on sleep quality, not just quantity. Get into a deep sleep zone by avoiding heavy meals or intense exercise right before bed. Use sleep tracker to monitor your progress. Here's the bottom line. Sleep isn't just the rest, it's restoration. It resets your hormone, boosts fat burning, and helps you build stronger muscle. Next time you think about skipping sleep for early workout or late night binge, remember, you can't out-train or out-diet bad sleep. Prioritize those Z's and you will wake up stronger, leaner, and healthy. Sleep isn't a waste of time, it's an investment in your best self. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this, share it with someone who needs to hear the power of sleep, or someone you know who doesn't sleep or doesn't get a quiet sleep. And let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Also, let me know in the comment section if there are other techniques that you have used to improve your sleep quality. See you in the next video.